Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator, and for some reason, of course, if you want to add the exact percentage of the battery, all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Trust me, this operation is really relatively easy, but the option we're looking for is in the strange place. So in the settings, we have to enter the notifications and control center. Then scroll down to the very bottom to find the status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the option battery indicator, so not in the battery section as it usually, where it is usually placed, but here in the status bar, but that's okay. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got 3 different options, so probably you've got this indicator only applied. You can set the percentage inside the battery icon, and this is the option I've got right now applied. As you can see, it is marked, and you can see this tiny percentage inside the battery. Or if you want to make it more visible, just tap on the second option or the third option. So the battery percentage will be displayed right next to the battery icon. So it's up to you, but I prefer this one. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.